Welcome to this video about the invisible highway that connects our digital lives, the evolution of Wi-Fi technology, covering generations 5, 6, and 7. Wi-Fi functions through radio waves, allowing devices to transmit data without wires. This technology is defined by the IEEE 802.11 standards, where a central router broadcasts a signal that devices connect to using secure passwords. The 802.11 architecture includes the data link layer for reliable device connections and the physical layer for signal transmission. Technologies like MAC manage channel access to prevent collisions, while FHSS and DSSS help manage frequency and signal security. Wireless technology has evolved rapidly since 1999. We have moved from the early 11 megabits per second speeds of Wi-Fi 1 to the staggering potential of 46 gigabits per second in the latest Wi-Fi 7 generation. Wi-Fi 5, released in 2013, brought us 802.11 AC. Operating exclusively on the 5 GHz band, its standout feature was MU-MIMO, allowing routers to communicate with multiple devices simultaneously. As smart home devices proliferated, Wi-Fi 5 faced congestion. Sharing bandwidth in crowded environments often led to high latency, buffering, and dropped connections for many users. Enter the efficiency era, Wi-Fi 6. Released in 2019, this standard supports 2.4 and 5 GHz bands and focuses on massive capacity and efficiency, supporting up to 8 concurrent users with advanced MU-MIMO. A key innovation in Wi-Fi 6 is OFDMA. Unlike older methods that sent one packet to one device at a time, OFDMA divides the frequency band into subcarriers, enabling simultaneous data transmission to multiple devices. To preserve battery in the growing ecosystem of IoT devices, Wi-Fi 6 introduced target wake time. The router schedules specific communication times, allowing devices to sleep when they do not need to transmit data. We are now entering the ultra-speed era with Wi-Fi 7. Expected to use the 802.11b standard, it operates across 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz bands to target sub-millisecond latency for immersive technologies like VR and cloud gaming. Wi-Fi 7 doubles the channel width to 320 MHz compared to the 160 MHz maximum in previous generations. This wider pipe fits significantly more data, requiring the capacity provided by the 6 GHz band. Multi-link operation, or MLO, is a game-changer for Wi-Fi 7. Devices can now connect to all 3 bands simultaneously, aggregating speeds and instantly shifting traffic if one band experiences interference. This matrix summarizes the evolution. From Wi-Fi 5 through the upcoming Wi-Fi 7, we see massive improvements in speed, channel width, and MIMO configurations to meet modern demands. When considering an upgrade, remember the reality. Top speeds require compatible devices, and your actual performance is always limited by your ISP plan and the physical range limitations of high-frequency bands. In conclusion, choose your Wi-Fi generation based on your needs. Wi-Fi 5 is fine for basic browsing. Wi-Fi 6 is optimal for smart homes and remote work, and Wi-Fi 7 is the future-proof choice for high-performance needs.